Alright, so here is a quick video on how to use the detail mark, shape, or color. So these three cards, or within the mark cards, are used to put more details to your visualization. So most times people use color, sometimes details, and sometimes shape. So by default, you should have automatic displayed in here. So when do we use it, and what is the difference between these three? All right, let's just create a simple visualization. I will go for my category and let's plot a bar chart. Let's put profits, for example, in the rows region or area. So if I want to add a field called region, and I do not want to complicate the visualization this way, I don't want to split it into three different parts. I just wanted to maintain that bar charts, a single bar chart, but I want to add another layer of information. Or for example, let's just say I have that in here region and I just want to add another layer, but I don't want to complicate the visualization. If I want to add segments, because so most times you just put in segments in here. So adding color to segments shows you another information. So that's why most times we use color or detail or layer, just to make sure you do not overcomplicate things by bringing it into this place, and goes on and on and on. So you just had information. So just for the purpose of this illustration, when or the difference between these colors and labels, I say label, colors, details, and shapes. So for details, you can add extra information without altering the already existing visualization. So it simply just adds information, but you do not want it to, change whatever we have in here. So let's just bring in the region into details. You can see it still maintains the visualization, but when we hover over it, it's still differentiated. I mean, to bring segments regardless, because we already have detail. So you see it's being partitioned. It's maintaining that visualization. It's not changing the color, but you can see the partition. You can easily differentiate. So when I turn on the text, you will be able to see the differences for each of them. Now, to bring in segments to color, you can see that it has nullified the effect of the detail. So color will change the visualization by changing the color, but details maintain that visualization. So that's one of the difference. So how or when do I use shape? Let's see if it's going to take effect with this visualization. So you can see shape as when I drag shape in here. Shape identifies each of the segment by giving it a different shape. And that's why it's creating a shape legend. We call this a shape legend. So this one goes for customer, this goes for corporate, this for home office. Segment again into color. It just gives it a different color. So we have the color legend and we have the shape legend. So what most people are familiar with is this segment legend. So that is the difference between when to use details. Details do not have legend,